Hey guys, welcome to Keerthana Cooks. Today let's see how to make a creamy and delicious white sauce pasta. It's so simple that you need only a handful of ingredients. Without further ado, let's get started.
Let's add around 3 tablespoons of butter to a hot pan. Once the butter starts to melt, we can add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic. Here I'm adding some veggies. I have taken mushrooms, broccoli and capsicum here. You can add veggies of your choice. Let's saute the veggies nicely. To thicken the sauce, we are going to add around 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. You can even replace it with whole wheat flour, but it will taste a bit nutty. Let's saute this nicely and add 2 cups of half and half, or you can substitute with whole milk or 2% milk. It's time to add in our spices. Now I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of oregano, some chili flakes, and a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. You can adjust the spices according to your taste. Now let's whisk it nicely until there are no lumps. Our sauce is nice and creamy now. Cook until the sauce coats your back of the spoon, like this. Our sauce is perfectly ready. Now we are going to add in our cooked pasta. I'm adding cooked penne pasta here. Once we add the pasta, let's cook it for 5 more minutes and then we are done. When we overcook it, it tends to get very soft and soggy. Now let's add in our cheese. I'm adding a tablespoon of Parmesan cheese and a tablespoon of Cheddar cheese. You can add any cheese of your choice. Let's mix until the cheese melts. Our creamy and delicious white sauce pasta is now ready.
Now let's try this pasta. I'm going to take a bite. Oh my god. The creaminess from the half and half, the Parmesan and the pasta has blended so well. There's a hint of spiciness from the chili flakes. It's absolutely delicious. You should definitely try this out.